Ever felt that your smartphone just isn't keeping up with your needs? Perhaps it's the constant lag while you're trying to multitask, or that grainy camera quality just when you're trying to capture a perfect moment. Maybe it's the ceaseless battle for storage space, or even the design that's looking a bit last decade. These are common issues we all face, but imagine a phone that could solve these problems. A phone that knows what you need. Well, the Nova 9 might just be the answer you've been searching for. First up, let's talk about the design and display. The Nova 9 sports a sleek, modern look, complemented by a slim profile and premium materials, truly a testament to sophistication. But the allure doesn't stop there. Embrace the large, high-resolution display that breathes life into colours, making images razor-sharp. Whether you're immersing yourself in a gripping movie, battling it out in a game, or simply browsing the web, this display enhances every pixel. With Nova 9, experience a blend of style and functionality like never before. Moving on to what's under the hood. The Nova 9 comes equipped with a fast processor that ensures a smooth, lag-free experience, whether you're streaming, multitasking, or gaming. And you don't need to worry about running out of space. The device offers ample storage, making it a breeze to keep all your photos, videos, and apps right at your fingertips. So, whether you're a casual user or a power user, you're covered. The Nova 9 truly is a powerhouse of speed and storage. Now, let's delve into the camera and connectivity. The Nova 9 shines with a high-quality rear camera, perfect for capturing stunning photos and videos, whether they're portraits, landscapes, or action shots. The front-facing camera ensures you're always looking your best for selfies and video calls. And with 5G connectivity, enjoy lightning-fast browsing, downloading, and streaming. Plus, advanced security features, including facial recognition technology, work tirelessly to keep your data safe and secure. With Nova 9, you're always connected and secure. So, what does all this mean for you? The Nova 9 encapsulates the epitome of a premium smartphone experience. Its sleek design is an eye-catcher, but its performance is the real showstopper. With a high-speed processor, ample storage, and a camera that turns moments into masterpieces, it's a tech enthusiast's dream. Add in the 5G connectivity and advanced security features, and you've got a device that's more than just a smartphone. The Nova 9 isn't just a smartphone, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Ready for a smartphone that truly understands you? The Nova 9 is more than just a gadget, it's a lifestyle upgrade. With its sleek design and powerful performance, it's a device that doesn't just keep up with your pace, but sets the pace. From capturing stunning photos to seamless multitasking, it's designed for those who demand the best. So why settle for less when you can have the best? Make the switch to Nova 9 today and experience a world of difference.